So what's up humans? Ilang minuto na lang. Oh god, moments na. Tapos, so actually, the process of Christmas before the we've felt is the same as Christmas this year. No, para ano naman, magkaroon naman ng ng reminiscings dating presensya ng Christmas. Ganun, tapos ayun, I was so excited lang talaga. Tapos sana ay maulit muli.